Hi! In front of me is STK LIFE 9, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration features on this device. Start by opening settings. After that you need to scroll down, select sound and click on the switcher next to also vibrate focus to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Then you need to scroll down, click on shortcut to prevent ringing and select press power and volume up together. Over here you can select vibrate by tapping on it and go back as well. Then, too far. Then you need to choose advanced over here, scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to start vibrations to turn them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!